And as we have said, the Supreme Court case involved a Texas law, but the decision could have an impact on Ohio. NBC4's Ted Hart is live at a Planned Parenthood clinic tonight to explain. Ted?
Well, and Ellie, Ohio has had a very pro-life legislature and pro-life governor for the past 6 years. And until today, pro-choice organizations like Planned Parenthood have had very little to celebrate. The number of clinics providing abortion services in Ohio has dropped from 16 in 2011 to 9 currently. Many of those that closed have cited the state law that requires a transfer agreement with a hospital to transfer a patient in the case of emergency. At the same time, state lawmakers also banned public hospitals from entering into such transfer agreements. It's not clear yet whether or not today's Supreme Court ruling could impact some of Ohio's abortion restrictions.
A lot of people today in Ohio are looking to see what they can do to roll back some of the restrictions that have been passed.
Jamie Miracle at Pro-Choice Ohio says that while the ruling was about a Texas law, it should send a message to the Ohio State House.
To Ohio politicians who have passed law after law after law restricting access to abortion and targeting abortion providers with medically unnecessary regulations to stop passing these laws.
It's a limited decision and does not apply here in Ohio.
Ohio Right to Life President Mike Gonidakis says the ruling is a loss for the pro-life movement, but he does not believe it will slow its momentum in Ohio.
The pro-life movement is doing quite well in Ohio. We have setbacks like today, absolutely, but we are at the lowest level of abortions in our state's history. That's a good thing, regardless if you're pro-life or pro-choice.
And coming up at 6, we'll talk to a state lawmaker who believes that the momentum on this issue here in Ohio has, in fact, shifted. Live on East 17th Street, Ted Hart, NBC4.